Hi friends, this video shows how to use external flashlight with mirrorless camera. In this video, I will be using this Canon R50 mirrorless camera. On top here we can see the port where we need to connect the external flashlight. Let me remove this cap. So this is a port where we need to connect the external flashlight. See, this is a new port, multifunction port. We cannot connect old accessories on this port. We need an adapter. In this video, I will be using this Godox TTL TT350C flashlight. So let me check the pins of this flashlight. You can see it has 5 horseshoe pins here on the bottom. As I said, we cannot directly connect this flashlight on this R50 mirrorless camera because of these 5 horseshoe pins. So there is no port on this R50 mirrorless camera to connect these 5 horseshoe pins. So that is the reason we need an adapter. This is the adapter which we need, multifunction shoe adapter ADE1. So we need to purchase this adapter. Then this adapter we need to connect on top of the camera. Then on top of this adapter we can connect flashlight. Here we can see this adapter has these 5 horseshoe pins, so we can easily connect that flashlight on this adapter. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.